welcome to RNEWBBQ. I'm Richard. Glad you could join me today. Today we received a care package from Uncle Steve. Thank you, Uncle Steve. He sent me his original, his spicy, his Gator Shake, and his thick meat spice rubs. On today's video, we're going to use his Gator Shake on some lobster tails that we're going to cook on the pit barrel cooker. So let's go ahead and get started. Alright, first thing we're going to do is make our butter sauce. I've got one stick of butter here that I'm going to cut in half. Next, we're going to go ahead and work on our garlic. I've got 2 cloves of garlic here that I've already taken off all the paper on. I'm going to go ahead and smash them down. And then we're going to start roughly chopping them up. Next, we're going to work on our parsley. You just want the leaves from the parsley. So you're going to take all the leaves off the stems. Put them in a pile. And just roughly chop it up. Go ahead now and put that into your bowl. Next, we're going to take 1 tablespoon of the Uncle Steve's Gator Shake and put that into the bowl. Now we're going to go ahead and put that onto the pit barrel cooker, so that way the butter and everything can go ahead and meld together, so that way we can go ahead and put that onto the lobster tails and baste them with the sauce. Alright, these are 7 to 8 ounce beautiful lobster tails that I picked up at Sam's just the other day. Since nobody else in the house likes to eat lobster, this is a win for me. We're going to go ahead and cut these lobster tails right down the center. Tail doesn't want to cut from me. There we go. Now that they're cut down the center, we're going to go ahead and put some Uncle Steve's Shake on it. That Gator Shake. Nice generous coat on it. Alright, now it's time to put them on the grill. All right, now that the lobster's on the grill, we're gonna go ahead and let it cook for 5 minutes, flesh side down. Then we're gonna flip them over and start basting them for the next 10 minutes until the lobster tails reach a temperature of 140 degrees. All right, it's been 5 minutes. Go ahead and flip them over now. Looking beautiful. That smell that's coming off of them is just amazing. Mix up the butter sauce. All right. Go ahead and cover it and let that go for a couple minutes. At least about 3 minutes, and then we're going to go ahead and baste that again. All right. Another 3 minutes. We'll go ahead and baste them again. All right. All right, we're done. They look beautiful. Right, now it's time for the taste test. Here we go. Oh yeah, that Gator Shake really leaves a flavor on the back of your tongue. Very nice. Between that citric acid and the black pepper and paprika, really puts a nice little punch on the back of your tongue. Got to get your hands on some of this Gator Shake. Very nice rub. Then we added on that butter sauce that we made. Really makes things nice and juicy. Got to get another bite. Oh yeah. Cheers, everybody. If you like what I'm doing here, please like, share, subscribe, comment below. Thank you. Have a good day.